Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time watching, I'm Kerri-Ann and today I will be making microwave peanut butter dog treats for your furry best friends. This recipe is quick and easy and only takes 10 to 15 minutes to make. So let's get started. This is Rusty. We're going to see if he likes the biscuits. Come. You can cut these into any shape that you like and drizzle with peanut butter. We've now come to the end of our video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye!